Because I've made many videos on ChatGPT, that how ChatGPT can be used in the law profession from the advocate's perspective. But still, I receive so many queries, and I guess people see one video, they don't see other videos, and then they just put a query to me. And as a bad habit, I respond to every query. So of late, I have been receiving many queries regarding two things. One is that how to analyze judgments. I mean, there is a specific video on it, that how do you analyze judgments. And another thing is that yes, on and off, people do ask me about the drafting of pleadings. Again, there are specific videos, not just one. Multiple videos would be there. But I thought that let me give one more demonstration that may help you in both analyzing an order as well as how to draft a pleading. Okay, so this case which I'm taking, it's my personal case in which there was an assault on me. The people who have been following me, they would know that there was a specific case involving the death of a girl called Simran Chabda. She died because of the medical negligence of some doctor running a hospital by the name Jagdamba Medical Center. And when I took the case, there was an attempt on my life. The FIR was filed. The accused was granted anticipatory bail. The bail orders were illegal. I have also moved a complaint about judicial misconduct in that. In fact, that was the genesis of my video of how to file a complaint of judicial misconduct. Now, I will take one of the anticipatory bail orders, which was granted to that accused, that Rohit Lalit alias Lagna, who runs Jagdamba Medical Center. So I will take that bail order as a reference, and I will use ChatGPT to see that what are the legal infirmities in that bail order and how can that bail order be challenged and what is the appropriate forum. Now, one thing as a disclaimer, I might tell you that ChatGPT is so far not trained on BNS and BNSS. So if in case you are going to use BNS or BNSS, ChatGPT will give you a confusing reply. I guess that is the problem which a lot of people are facing. Currently, the data which ChatGPT has would not be the latest one. So if in case you're talking about, you're going to talk about BNS or BNSS, it's only going to be take the reference of 2023. I have not checked what is the latest learning to what date it has updated itself. But I'm very sure it is not yet trained on BNS and BNSS. So please, if in case you are using ChatGPT, use from the perspective of IPC and CRPC and India Evidence Act. Don't use terms like BNS or BNSS. It's an added knowledge I'm giving. And once you get that, on the basis of that BNS or BNSS or India Evidence Act, then we all have our ready reckoners, that which act, now in new act what section means what. Okay, so in this video also we'll be using the reference of CRPC and IPC only. Okay, so let me give you a live demonstration. I'll try to keep this video as short as possible. Thank you. Over to ChatGPT. Okay, guys. No, first thing first, always make multiple Google accounts from which you should use ChatGPT. So I've got a number of accounts through you I use, because, and then what I have done is that I have created every account for a specific purpose. So in somewhere I do only research related to criminal law. Somewhere I just do research only for my general purposes. Somewhere I do research. I use ChatGPT only for for the books I am writing. So I have got multiple accounts, because ChatGPT has got two models. One is the backend, and there is a little module which is kind of a memory which is there in the local also. Okay, so if in case you are going to use the same account for everything, then understand you are making it learn by your other research also, and that research may lead to give a biased response. So that is one problem which people face a lot, that they don't get the accurate knowledge, because you are training ChatGPT the local memory when you are doing your own research. It will have always will give you a bias. If in case that local whatever you have done in past, that is going to lead to a bias, that will give you that bias. That bias will always be there in the ChatGPT's response. So what you'll have to do is that you have to always clear the memory. You have to give a specific instruction that please forget everything and just clear the memory, and it'll be fresh. But again, that will affect negatively because you might want that knowledge which ChatGPT has acquired to remain there. So the best way would be that have multiple accounts for multiple things. Okay. So now what I have done here is I have given two files to it. Again, how do you upload file? You just click on this attach button, attach file button, and then you can upload it. Okay. So if I go to upload, it'll straightway take me to my folders. So I've already attached. So I have given one the FIR which was filed, and then the anticipatory bail order which I want to challenge. The scene is that you are an advocate and say practicing in the session side or on the High Court or maybe on the Supreme Court, and a person has come to you or a client has come to you with a bail order. So in this case, let's say that I am practicing in High Court and a client has come to me wherein a bail has been granted by a learned sessions court. So scene is that so the person will come with two things. He will come with an FIR, which you can see here, and the person will come with the anticipatory bail order. And the specific thing is that should that bail order be challenged or not? Okay, should you apply for the cancellation of bail or not? There's no appeal which lies against a bail order, so you have to go in for cancellation of bail. Okay, so the query which I have given to ChatGPT is that I have an anticipatory bail order with me and suggest what are the grounds on the basis of which I can challenge this bail order and under what sections. So I have uploaded the FIR also. Now the ChatGPT has given me some information. Okay, so everything ChatGPT, whatever relevant is that ChatGPT has given me. Okay, now but I want little now. If in case you will see this information is not very specific, and of course 379B was there. Okay, there was an attempt of robbery was there. Recovery of evidence, recovery of stolen goods have not happened. But if in case you see it, I was not really very happy with the response. So I went ahead. I said that please give me specific information. Now the beauty of the ChatGPT is that you can fine tune every response. Okay, and how the dialectic method is the best method, wherein you keep probing unless you get the best out of it. So my second command is give me information specific to this FIR and this bail order. Just don't give me vague information. Okay. Here the ChatGPT actually went into the thinking mode. Then I have to just wake it up, and then ChatGPT look at the response which ChatGPT gave. One is the grounds of challenging the bail order, the 379B, and trust me, this is a very very beautiful response which I have got from ChatGPT. A grave offence where custodial interrogation might be essential for recovery of stolen items. Yes, the recovery of stolen items did not happen. Then 506.149, that's okay. And now towards the end you will see. Second point is incomplete recovery of stolen items. Yes, of course, most of the items were not recovered. Okay, so and that was the finding there in the bail order itself. That itself is a legal infirmity. That when the recovery of articles have not happened, then how anticipatory bail is grounded. Custodial interrogation is must. Then understand this. The third point, second bullet point in number 3, recovery of damaged phone, as noted in the bail order. Because I had a phone also which was highly damaged, raises suspicion, and this was not sufficiently examined or probed during the bail hearing. Understand, the learned session judge, ASJ, admitted to the fact that a severely damaged phone was recovered. Okay, which raises suspicion about the intensity of assault, and that was not completely proved. Then there is an allegation which is the extortion of a confessional video from the victim, and which was later circulated, which means there is a continued threat, there is a continued intimidation that was overlooked by the learned court. Last point is improper judicial assessment, and that is what led to the complaint of judicial misconduct. The court's observation in favor of the accused, such as dismissing allegations as unsubstantiated, are premature since these are matters of trial, and that is the point on which I filed the complaint of judicial misconduct. Now, what happened was, what this ASJ had in front of him, he just had the FIR. Investigation has not even started. Since investigation has not even started, it means he had got no evidence whatsoever in front of him, because of which either he can admit or deny the allegations which are there in the FIR. So he has to only look into the seriousness of the offences. At the anticipatory bail level, we all know that we never go into the merits of the case. Again, ChatGPT says the court has taken an overly lenient approach. And overly lenient, you can understand, more than that, there is no need for me to speak. You can always assume what do I mean when I say, and when the ChatGPT itself says the court has taken an overly lenient approach, granting anticipatory bail despite the absence of strong evidence in front of him. Now, so the provisions are there. I could have gone. I can go in 439(2) and or 482 of quashing of invoking the inherent powers of the Honorable High Court to quash the bail orders. Now, so there the grounds are also there. No, I will not get into specific of the grounds. Then my another query was, are there any legal infirmities in the bail order? So then the ChatGPT will give me the legal infirmities. Okay, these are the allegations which were there. Okay, and then it has given me citations also, and then it has given whatever, a lot of things it has given me. So I have got whatever I wanted, but the video doesn't end here. Now I want to know that should I go in for 439(2) or should I go in for 482? Let's see. Let's ask ChatGPT that should I go in for 492 or 482. It gives me the complete response. Now understand, it has given me the practical approach. It says that if in case there has been misuse of liberty of bail, I should move cancellation of bail. And if in case the order is legal flawed on legal grounds, the section is 482. It has given me the practical approach using each of the two sections. So let me ask more. In this case, what is your opinion? Okay, so it says that you go in for 439(2) with the Sessions Court, and trust me, don't rely on ChatGPT fully. Yeah? You have to do your own research. You have to corroborate everything which it says. But in this explore 482 subsequently. Now let me probe it more, and I'll tell you how do I probe it. So this is my genuine apprehension. Okay, so I've given that apprehension. Now let's see what ChatGPT says. Now it says that if you believe the anticipated bail order is fundamentally flawed, look, I'm relying on ChatGPT, so ChatGPT has to tell me. So again I ask, what did I do? I am not disclosing it here. Trust me, this was not the order against which I went. I went against a different bail order in the similar matter. Okay, so now I have decided to go under 482. But I still have a query. Okay, got it. Whatever answer it has given, we are not going to the, we will not qualify this right now. So the next question would be, or the next instruction would be, please draft me a petition on the basis of above facts and the prayer you have suggested. Give me a Word file. So if ChatGPT takes sufficient long time, trust me, it means that it's doing a good job. Okay, so it drafts and gives me the file. So let's download it. So I'm not saying that whatever it has downloaded, it is the thing. Okay, you will have to make a lot of. It is just a basic template. The draft which you get from ChatGPT is just a basic template. Now, I do use ChatGPT much more than this. I am able to, add a lot of facts to it, elaborate. I can show you a few of the things. But trust me, this is just a skeletal draft. If you think you're going to get relief on the basis of this, no, even registry won't accept it.
Can you please add the
Look, another reason that you must have multiple accounts is because if in case you are playing with the documents, uploading documents and downloading it, then your credits, you only get limited credits. So after three, move four instructions, you lose those, you spend those credits. So having multiple account means that you can always have credits at your liberty. So okay, the right way is that before exporting it, asking ChatGPT to export in a Word file, whatever refinements you want to do with ChatGPT, do it in the window itself. And then once you finalize everything, and then ask it to export it into a Word document. So now I have got the document, which may be little different and better from what I have got, but I am not able to see the judgments. Okay, so it has given me a separate page. Again, I have not verified these, so I can't say whether these are correct or not. ChatGPT has got propensity to give you wrong information. And why ChatGPT gives you wrong information? Just question it. ChatGPT will give you a good justification. Okay, so all those things are there, but why the FIR number is not there? ChatGPT is so dumb. So let's ask it why the FIR number and other details not there. Yeah, you can scold it. Please put the relevant FIR details. Yeah, good. It apologizes. We don't do. We don't apologize. That's the problem. Okay, I've got something. I'll have something which is a little better. Trust me, FIR number is still not there. Yeah. So now it is saying that it is updating. Trust me, it would have updated, but I guess since my credits are over, okay. So let me give another instruction. Look, पैसे कमाने का तरीका कि साहब वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए तो पैसे चाहिए आपसे, नहीं तो हम यहीं पे दे देंगे आपको डिटेल्स. You can see now the FIR details are there, facts of the case are there, then grounds of the petition there, judicial precedents भी आ गए. अभी क्या है ना कि यू कैन ऑल्सो अपलोड. Look, I am using a free version and I never promote using a paid version, but I'm telling you, if in case you are using a paid version, so many more things you can do. No, you can always upload one format of yours. For example, ये पंजाब हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट चंडीगढ़ की पिटिशन है, तो अगर आपके पास पंजाब हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट का, इफ इन केस यू हैव अ दिस ड्राफ्ट फॉर्मेट, so you can upload that format and then you can tell ChatGPT that please give me in the same format. तो ChatGPT आपको उसी फॉर्मेट में देगा. So that's the beauty of ChatGPT. Maybe someday when I am making a video and I have got enough credits, I will we'll try together. We'll try and do that as well. तो ये देखिए, so whatever I needed for drafting a petition, I have got it. Okay, so guys, this is was I was wanting to demonstrate. Two things we have covered. A, we have covered how we can analyze an order. Forget the merits of the case, but I've showed you how an order can be analyzed using ChatGPT. Then on the basis of that analysis, if in case you can, from ChatGPT you can check whether or not you should go in for a revision or an appeal, or challenge the order in some or the other way. And thirdly, if yes, then how it can be converted into pleadings. Hopefully, this video would have been of some use to people who have been pinging me. If any other specific requirement you want, let me know. I'll be more than happy to make a video. Thank you.